Hey guys, I'm Jill Powell, and today I'm going to show you how to get fuller lips without injections. Okay, so obviously big lips is a huge trend. Everyone's getting injections, everyone's getting enhancements. But if you don't want to take that road, I'm gonna share with you some tips to make them look bigger. So first of all, let's talk about contouring and highlighting. So anytime you contour, remember it sinks in, and anytime you highlight, it pushes forward. So we are gonna start with contouring and highlighting our lips. Yes, I said our lips. So starting out with a deeper foundation, and I'm using a really tiny brush and a really tiny amount of product. I am going to contour around my lip to give the illusion of the sunken in and then the pushed out lip. So we are just going to kind of contour around the outer lip line. So if you can see, I'm contouring around and leaving a little bit of space. And what that's doing is it is kind of popping out the outer edge of my lip line, which is not where my pink stops, but it's able to make it look like it's bigger. I'm gonna do these little lines too, just so it looks really natural. So now my Cupid's bow looks way bigger than what it really is. We're gonna do the same thing on the bottom, just really slightly. Because if I'm pushing in the outer edge of my lip line, then it's gonna make my lips appear fuller. Ever so slightly. Next, we are going to line our lips. So I'm gonna still stick with a nude lip. This is Boldly Bare by MAC, and I'm gonna try to go for that very edge of my lip line. So it might not be where your pink lip stops. You're gonna overline just a little bit, but it's still gonna be on the ridge. Also, when you want to create more volume, always start in the corners and then go up this way. It'll round your shape more than if you go this way, it'll tuck it under and it won't give you as much volume. Same thing on the bottom. I'm gonna kind of draw in the middle. I'm gonna leave these two little edges of the pillows open. So that one was Boldly Bare. So it's like a nude, but it's kind of peachy pink, right? Now I'm gonna go in with Strip Down, which is kind of more neutral. And I'm just gonna go along the very edges. You can also take a deeper liner and kind of shade the corners. So this is the Rip Lip Liner by Gaga House Laboratories, and this one's in Myth. So I'm just gonna shade the corners. Get a little bit on that Cupid's bow too. And right underneath. I'm also gonna draw a little bit in the middle to make these little edges appear like little pillows. So now I'm gonna take a nude lipstick. This is one of my favorites. This is by Sam Marcel, and it's called Angeline. And we're gonna fill in my lips. Okay, so now that we've filled in the lips, I'm actually gonna add a little bit of gloss and then highlighter. So this one is by Elsie, And it's not like super shiny, but it's really pretty. So I'm gonna highlight kind of the center of my lip. Just to make it appear fuller. And this color is called Page. And then last, I'm just gonna take a tiny bit of highlighter with my finger. I'm gonna highlight the center, and then also the edge, very upper edge. So, no, I didn't get lip injections. I just made my lips look bigger.
Thanks again for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below what you want to see next. All of the products used in my video are also linked below. And if you want to see more, follow me anywhere at Jill Powell Glam. Thanks again.